Are you over 40 and starting to feel hormonal changes, mood swings, hot flashes, or just constant stress? Don't worry, because nature has given us powerful fruits that can help bring your hormones back into balance while boosting your energy and reducing stress. Let's dive into 5 fruits that can transform your health naturally. First up is the creamy, delicious avocado. Often called nature's butter, avocado is packed with healthy fats that help regulate estrogen levels. This fat also supports your brain and heart, making it easier to handle stress. Eating avocado regularly can help reduce mood swings and keep your energy stable throughout the day. A simple avocado toast or smoothie can go a long way in supporting your hormones. Feel like pomegranate. This fruit isn't just pretty, it is powerful. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and natural plant estrogens that ease menopause symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats. It also boosts fertility, strengthens the bones, and protects the heart. These 3 areas are often need extra support after 40. Adding pomegranate seeds to your salad or yogurt makes for a refreshing healing snack. The number 3 is dates. This sweet fruit is more than just a natural candy. It is rich in phytoestrogens, which help balance hormones and reduce discomfort during menopause. It also gives quick energy, improves digestion, help regulate blood sugar when eaten in moderation. Pop 2 or 3 dates as snacks and you will feel both nourished and energized. The 4th one is the blueberries. The blueberry is a small but mighty fruit. It is an anti-aging fruit loaded with antioxidants that fight stress and inflammation. It also protects your memory, keeping your brain sharp, and stabilizes the blood sugar. This fruit is important for hormonal balance. Try adding a handful of blueberries to your morning oatmeal or smoothie for a powerful start to your day. And finally, papaya. This tropical fruit is gentle on the stomach, rich in vitamin C, and helps your body absorb nutrients better. It also supports digestion, reduces bloating, and strengthens immunity. Papaya has compounds that help calm stress and keep your hormones functioning smoothly. A bowl of fresh papaya cubes can be both refreshing and healing. So here you have it, 5 powerful fruits that can help women over 40 balance hormone, reduce stress, and feel energized again. Avocado, pomegranate, dates, blueberry, and papaya. Which of these fruits do you already have in your basket and you eat with joy? And which one will you try this week? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Savvyfruits for more health boosting fruit wisdom. Your journey to balance and wellness can be as simple as adding the right fruit to your plate. Thank you.